Happiness is a manifestation of good health.
Time and health are two precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they deplete. The true healthcare reforms start at Vardhman Health Specialities.
Vardhman Health Specialities, valuing health.
Vardhman began its illustrious journey 6 decades ago with branded generic medicines distribution and started exclusive distribution of super specialty and chronic diseases medicines in 1998. Vardhman is today the only company in India to get accredited by WHO for its specialty pharmaceutical distribution. Headquartered at Bengaluru with its corporate office in Mumbai and New Delhi, Vardhman soon became a company renowned for its quality service across the country, for supplying medicines to major hospitals and serving the ailing. Today, Vardhman is a leading company with its ever-evolving and ever-expanding business network.
With our vast experience in general pharma, we found lacuna in supplying of the medicine to chronic and terminal ill patients. Now I can proudly say that ours is the first company in India to start the exclusive distribution of specialty medicine to chronic and terminal ill patients as per the global standards.
In a world where modernization is manifesting in many ways, managing health is one of the complex issues despite availability of high-end technology. Creating a high-class therapeutic treatment consistently has always been a challenge. Vardhman is associated with more than 1,000 brands from more than 40 world-class manufacturers who are manufacturing medicines, medical devices and many more.
We have adopted a business model which defeats the conventional pharma distribution practice, which involves mother warehouses, C&Fs, C&As, superstockists, wholesalers, etc. This has helped us in significantly cutting down the cost in the total supply chain from the manufacturer to the end user.
Vardhman brings to light the noble therapeutic conditions in a cost-effective way for better patient care with its state-of-the-art storage and efficient distribution system up to the end user. As per the quality control laid by the DCGI guidelines, that stands testimony to its success in the field.
Pharmaceutical distributors have to think beyond the necessity towards the noble patient care. The recent DCG guidelines have informed that the pharmaceutical distributors have to maintain proper supply chain management. Specifically, the super specialty products towards the chronic diseases are to be stored in a specified temperature in a optimal conditions. Towards this, Vardhman Health Specialities Pharmaceuticals have introduced the real-time data loggers into all their branches, wherein which 24/7 the temperatures are recorded every 10 minutes or 15 minutes depending upon the type of the data loggers. Any kind of variation in temperature, a SMS or an email alert would be sent to the quality management system, wherein which immediate action would be taken by Vardhman Health Specialty Quality Management System. This is the way we maintain the distribution and storage practices towards the efficacy of the product.
Medicines received from the manufacturers are checked for temperature as per the guidelines and stored in appropriate conditions to be delivered to the end user with utmost emphasis on quality and compliance.
when we purchase medicine anywhere, we have to identify a store or a chemist where all the quality is maintained, so that our treatment will be more effective.
Vardhman's storage, distribution, and management capabilities continue to play a key role in keeping up the impeccable reputation of the company that's truly enviable.
It's well known that exposure to adverse storage conditions affects the quality of a drug. The Drugs and Cosmetics Act and rules thereunder, which regulates the activity of manufacture, distribution and sale of drugs, imposes absolute liability on the manufacturer as well as all those who are involved in the supply chain system. Therefore, it is essential that during the course of supply chain management, the drugs are properly stored, that is indicated on the label, backed up by suitable data, in order to defend themselves if they are proceeded against in the court of law.
Today, Vardhman is a 3 billion rupee pharmaceutical distribution company with 15 branches across the country, and plans are afoot to add 7 more branches. With such a large portfolio, Vardhman joins the most preferred distributors of medicines in India. Patients equate Vardhman with quality, and more importantly, they equate it with trust. Vardhman is proud to say that it has so far served more than 1 lakh patients across the country. More than 250 employees work relentlessly around the country to innovate newer ways of therapeutics that enhance quality of healthcare. In its illustrious journey, the company has won several awards and recognitions.
We at Vardhman want no one in India to be deprived of necessary medication and a quality healthy life due to non-affordability. We aim at sharing the burden of getting the life-saving medicines at affordable prices and building a healthy nation.
Vardhman Health Specialities, valuing health